Hey Fantastic You, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are going to do a flip cup painting today. I got a 12 by 16 inch canvas. Our colors are all liquitex colors, starting on my left, your right. I've got cadmium yellow light hue, which I have lightened a little bit with titanium white. Quinacridone magenta, light blue permanent, cadmium yellow deep hue, light pink, and thiocyanine blue. So I'm going to layer these 2 layers in each cup, starting with the yellow, ending with the blue. I'm going to get that done and then I'll bring you back. Okay, they're all filled up. Let's get these flipped over. Okay, so as I said, the paint is liquitex. I have mixed this 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. My pouring medium is 60% PVA glue, 40% water. I've got about 90 grams of mixed paint in each color, and I did add 2 drops of silicone to all of the colors. So we're going to give these a minute or 2 to release, and then I'll bring you back. So we've given it long enough. Get these kind of where I want them on the canvas. So I can see on the sides of the cups some orange and some green that's coming through, and I did want that. That's why I chose the colors I chose. There's some nice orange right there. Not the best pull of the cup on my end. Just wet some areas. Again. Ooh, lots of yellow in this one. Okay, I wonder what color we're going to get on the last one. Lots of blue. Very nice. The thiocyanine blue is one of my favorite blues. Just wet this edge too. Just getting paint everywhere. All that paint's going to get tilted off. Okay, yeah, there's some green in there. I can see some orange. Hope we get some pretty cells. But let's start tilting this paint. For that corner. Oh, we're getting like a lime green in there. Very nice. Over that corner. Spin it around. I'm going to cover the entire canvas, then I'm going to torch. Doing it a little different this go around. Going to lose that magenta on the bottom left for me. A little sad about that. Bring the paint back. Let's get over to the other side. Our last corner. Get the paint back to the center. Oh, that's very pretty just on its own. Even getting a bit of a, almost like a brownie shade in there. But loving those lines of blue that have popped through. So hopefully we get some nice cells. Just cleaning off my hands. Give me 1 sec. Okay, let's torch. gonna give it a couple seconds here. I got a couple big bubbles that I'm gonna attempt to pop while I wait for those cells. Got some nice ones coming up there. Oh, I got it. I need to get a new bamboo skewer. Because this one's point is not as good as it used to be. That one doesn't want to pop. Oh, that looks like candy. Yeah, like not Pop Rocks, Nerds. That's what it reminds me of, Nerds. Okay, we need some more on this end and a little bit more there. I'm trying my best not to over torch. Got a couple more. I'm going to try and pop that bubble again. Just going to make it worse and make it more obvious. Okay, got a couple more to pop up. Yeah, nice blue ones popping up, but we need some more in some of these areas. Why am I having such trouble in this area? I got a couple more to pop up, but that's not enough. We need more. There we go. Yeah, I got a little close in some of the areas, but that should fill up now. Still having troubles there, so let's go again. Okay, got a couple more. Oh, that light blue permanent's popping through there. It's got the magenta around it. Well, the magenta mixed with the blue. It's more of a purple. Okay, I think I'm happy with the amount of cells. A little busy here, but I got a little greedy. But let's make them a little bigger. Get this to let go of my doggy pee pads. There we go. Just tilting it forward, backward, side to side. Just trying to grow those cells a bit. Some of these cells are so pretty. That light pink with the thiocyanine blue around it. As I said, it looks like nerds. Some candy. Okay. I'm going to get you zoomed in so you can get a better look. Don't go anywhere. There, all zoomed in. What do you think? I love it. I love all of these colors together. I love the green and the orange that's popping through. I think it looks fantastic. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.